You see, white people, you don't look at like a tan guy, be like, oh, you're dark, or you're like, black people, they go in on everything. I had no clue I was dark skinned until I got here. I got to America and I met some people and I'm like, he said, you black? I said, of course we are black. He said, no, you black as shit. One guy told me I look like under the bed. It's dark as fuck under the bed. They told me I look like I have no bright ideas. They said the difference between me and midnight is 11:59. They told me I have to wear white gloves before I eat chocolate. They told me every time I take a shit, I think my dick fell off. That's dark as fuck. That motherfucker don't see shit.
That's pretty dark, man.
I go into all the dark era. So, I got roasted my whole life.